AlphaGummy makes some big promises. They say it'll boost your energy, improve your mood, support your health, and even increase your strength, stamina, and hormone levels all naturally and quickly. Sounds great on paper, but here's where it gets sketchy. They claim it's FDA approved and certified, but there's no proof or paperwork anywhere on their site. That kind of lack of transparency makes the whole thing feel a little off. Even when they mention scientific studies, they only talk about ingredients like vitamin D, not the actual AlphaGummy formula itself. That's like saying a smoothie is super healthy just because you tossed a banana in it. It doesn't really tell you anything about the full product. The way they market it is also pretty aggressive. The website's full of countdown timers, huge discounts, and flashy deals like save up to $294. It's the kind of pressure selling that tries to push you into buying fast without thinking too much. And let's not forget the reviews. They're all glowing, almost too glowing, and a lot of them use stock photos you can find elsewhere online. There aren't many real user testimonials you can actually trust. On top of that, there's no clear company information, no verifiable address, and no way to contact them directly other than a basic form. Some users report receiving the wrong product or nothing at all, which is concerning. The marketing also plays heavily on urgency and scarcity, which is a classic tactic used like in questionable sales schemes. Even influencers promoting it online often don't disclose if they're being paid, which makes the endorsements less reliable. Overall, the product might sound promising, but the red flags are significant. So, am I saying it's a scam? There are quite a few warning signs here. The bold claims, lack of real evidence, fake-looking reviews, and pushy sales tactics all add up. If you're thinking about trying it, definitely do some digging first. Don't just take their word for it. Happy staying safe?